àkóyá síwájú. Ó yá. Ọlọ́run kí mú sí Ọlọ́run àmì àṣẹ ọdún kan ní àṣẹ.
Hello, hi everyone, welcome to crossblogXTV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Today's update is about elegushi of Ikate Kingdom. He celebrated his birthday about a few days ago, and we just want to wish him happy birthday from crossblogXTV. Elegushi, we wish you happy belated birthday. May the good Lord bless your new age, many more good things in the kingdom of Ikate land. Yes, and as you can see in this picture, Elegushi is so dressed up, you know, for his birthday photo shoot, and I love the way he smiles. I like the way he smiles. If you notice him well, if you have been watching him, Elegushi smiles a lot. You can never see him frowning, never. Frown. He's always smiling. And in this other picture as well, you know, I so much love this this outfit he's wearing. Agbado Ufi with the beads and you know, the royal arts. Yeah, it's so nice. And you know, all these are our new generation kings. You know, they're always top notch, as no man dressed to kill. I'm sure a lot of girls will be in Elegushi's DM. You can see him in these other pictures as well. You know, by posing as a fine boy, you know what I mean? Okay, now in this other one as well, but it's like, okay, look me now. That's good. Anyway, from crossblogXTV, we wish you happy birthday once again, Oba Elegushi. And as you can see in this video, you know, mcoluomo came and his other colleagues to celebrate Oba Elegushi. You know, he's praying for him. You know, they are one family. You know, see him. I so much like him. Elegushi can smile. See how simple, you know, gorgeous. See the way Oba just dressed now, button up, pillow shelling now. You see all of them, you know, they're just relaxing, having fun. I'm sure it's because of this Ramadan period. That's why they are all dressed like this, because obviously one shema break away one, you know, and that's why they are like this. If not for the away, please drop a comment down below. If not for the away, they will really dance here. You can see the Olori of Lagos. See him there as well. It's very close to Oba Elegushi. They are very good friends. See the other people there as well. Happy people just came together to celebrate the king. You know, and they are talking about the Ashiwaju Akoyi Gucci. You know, if you have checked some few previous video, you see that Oba Elegushi was interviewed and he spoke about Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That was before the election. So do you know that they are one party, they are one people? You know, mcoluomo is for Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So that's why you can see them in calling his name Akoyi Asiwaju Akoyi Tinubu. We all know that they are APC people. You can see this man as well smiling as well. Those are all mcoluomo's colleagues. They've come together to celebrate him. What celebrating? Birthday is not easy, you know. When you are alive, why not you celebrate yourself? And when you are being loved by people always come around to celebrate you. Please don't forget to drop a comment down below. Olori Eleyoto, he loves smiling a lot and he's a bit shy. You can tell that he's a bit shy there. Yes, a bit shy there. Oh, it's good to see them again coming together. They are not letting the Ramadan to stop them. I'm sure after this Ramadan, hey, maybe because I know that Obelegushi's birthday last year, they had so many musicians that came. Yeah, I'm sure this one too will not be. It won't be a dolly moment. Yes. Please drop a comment down below what you think about Elegushi. Thank you so much from crossblogXTV. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay tuned.